Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to install and configure Othor AI in your system. I am going to install Othor AI in my MacBook Air. First, go to the GitHub repository of Othor.ai. You can see this github.com/Othor AI/Othor.ai. And here there is a section explaining step-by-step instruction on how to install and configure. So copy the first command given here, git clone recursive. Make sure you add the recursive command here as we have subfolders with the git in it. So I'm copying the command here. Then I am going to Visual Studio Code. I am creating a new folder, clicking on open folder, creating a new folder with name Othor AI. After that, I am going to terminal and clicking on new terminal. I am pasting the command that I just now copied. Give it a few seconds. Okay. Now you can open and see that all the source code files of Othor AI is downloaded into your system. Now let us move to the main folder, cd space Othor.ai. You can see that instruction given as the second step. Now as the next step, what we need here, you can see one .env file here. You will have to rename it to .env. This is the file that contains all our configuration, and you need to give only one input here, that is the OpenAI API key. To get this OpenAI API key, if you do not have one, you can go to platform.openai.com and you can create a new API key. I'm going to my profile, API keys. I'm going to click on create a new API key. I'm giving it a name Othor AI test. And I'm selecting a default project, create secret key. After that, copy the secret key, go to OpenAI API key and paste it here. Make sure that you keep your secret keys safe and secret. I'll be deleting this API key after recording this demo. So once you have this API key also configured, you can run the next command. Let's see what is the next command. Next command is about Docker, but before running the Docker command, make sure you have Docker running in your laptop. You can download the desktop version of Docker from the Docker website, and you make sure that you are logged into Docker with the username. So once you have Docker running actively, then you can copy this command docker compose build, go to the same terminal and run the command. It will take some time for Docker to build it completely. Now we can see that Docker build command is complete. Let us run the next command, docker compose up. Yeah. Now let's go to localhost 3000. Once you installed it for the first time in your laptop, it will take a little bit time to load the modules and the files completely. That is perfectly fine. Once you have gone through all the different pages of the app, then the next time it will load super fast. Let us go to login. Okay, let me refresh it a couple of times. This is no problem of the app. This is only with the first time setup. I had logged into the app before. That is the reason it is taking me to the dashboard directly. If you are installing it for the first time, then you will be taken to this login screen. Here you can give the test username admin@example.com and admin123 as the password. And you can see that you have successfully logged into the Othor AI dashboard. You have the feed feature ready. You have the chat with the data ready. Make sure you go through all the modules one by one for the first time, and the second time everything will be super fast. Then we have settings. Now you already have this demo organization and its connected data source for you to explore the product. If you want to connect your own data source, you go ahead and create a workspace. Let us give it a name, pharma company. Create. After that, switch to that workspace. Then go to data sources. You can connect a data source here. A detailed tutorial on how to connect it to different data sources I have given in a different video. The link to that video will be kept below this. Thank you. If you have any doubt, come to the Othor AI discussions page in GitHub and you can post your question here and there will be someone who will answer your queries. Thank you.